Well, as you can see, we had a white Christmas. Santa Claus brought us some tools and some parts pieces here. Got a new mini grinder pack. These here are cab mounts for Ford half-ton in case we need them. Ready to go. Look like they're pretty good quality. And picking away at this 95, we got a couple of the box bolts come right out. We got that one out, that one out. Those there too are going to be a pain. And got the one out over there. And we got one stuck in here. And then the box will be ready to come off. I guess I got a few things underneath there, a couple wires to unhook. And just look at the cab. The seat's ready to come out. I just got to unbolt the seat belts. I took a few days off for the holidays. Here's the bolts that come out of the box. Unbolt it really easy, the ones that come out. There it is, more parts and pieces. Making a little progress. 95.